Greetings dear friends and welcome. Today I'm preparing homemade young cheese. I won't use anything but milk. I highly recommend that you stay with me until the very end of this video. So let's go. I pour 5 liters of homemade cow's milk into a deep container. You can also use purchased milk with a high percentage of fat. I left the milk at room temperature for about 48 hours. This is the oldest way to make young cheese. After 48 hours, it is necessary to remove the cream that has formed on the surface. Otherwise, this sour cream is very tasty and healthy. I will be glad if you leave a comment from which country you are watching this video. I cut the cheese into smaller cubes. I put 1 liter of water on the boil. I pour the boiled water into the container with the cheese. Add salt if desired. 1 tablespoon is enough. I did not add salt in the video because I later prepared mozzarella cheese from this cheese. Isn't it beautiful? Before straining cheese, it needs to be cooled. I pour the cheese into a container from which the liquid can be drained. Spread evenly and leave for 10 minutes so that the cheese partially drains. When the cheese was partially drained, I put a container into which I poured 1 liter of water and left it to drain overnight. And here are the results: very tasty and healthy cheese without additives, without acid, and without rennet. I hope you liked the recipe. If you did, subscribe to the channel for free and be sure to like the video.